In this video, I'll show you why your Surface Pro keyboard isn't working and how you can fix it. Step 1. Check the keyboard connection. Remove the keyboard from your Surface Pro and attach it again properly. Make sure the magnetic connector lines up with the bottom edge of the surface and sits firmly in place. Sometimes the keyboard looks connected, but the pins are not making full contact. After reconnecting it, open Notepad or the search box and test if the keys and touchpad work. Step 2. Clean the connector pins. Turn off your Surface Pro and detach the keyboard. Look at the metal connector pins on both the surface and the keyboard. Dust or small debris can stop the keyboard from being detected. Gently clean the connector area with a soft, dry cloth, then reconnect the keyboard and test it again. Avoid using sharp objects or too much liquid. Step 3. Force restart the Surface. A temporary Windows or hardware connection glitch can stop the keyboard from working. Press and hold the power button for about 20 seconds until the Surface restarts. When the Windows logo appears, let the device turn on fully, then reconnect the keyboard and test it again. This does not delete your files. Step 4. Install Windows updates. Outdated system files, drivers, or firmware can cause the Surface keyboard to stop responding. Go to Settings, open Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Install all available updates, then restart your Surface. Keep the keyboard attached during the update process because Surface accessories may also receive firmware updates. Step 5. Use the Surface app. Open the Surface app on your device and check the Help and Support section. Microsoft recommends using this app to check your Surface health, update status, and common hardware issues. If the app shows any available fixes or update warnings, follow the instructions and restart the Surface afterward. Step 6. Run Surface Diagnostic Toolkit. If the keyboard is still not working, run the Surface Diagnostic Toolkit. This tool checks common Surface problems and can repair some software, driver, and firmware issues. After the diagnostic process finishes, restart your Surface and test the keyboard again. This is useful when the issue is caused by Windows instead of the keyboard itself. Step 7. Check Device Manager. Open Device Manager and check the Keyboard section. If you see a Surface keyboard, type cover, or HID keyboard device with a warning sign, right-click it and uninstall the device. Restart your Surface after uninstalling it. Windows should reinstall the correct driver automatically when the device starts again. Step 8. Test the keyboard in UEF. Testing the keyboard in UEFI helps you know if the problem is from Windows or the hardware. Shut down your Surface, then hold the volume up button and press the power button. If the keyboard works in UEFI, the issue is likely related to Windows or drivers. If it does not work there either, the keyboard or Surface connector may have a hardware problem. Step 9. Try another keyboard. If possible, connect another compatible Surface keyboard to your Surface Pro. You can also test your keyboard on another Surface device. If another keyboard works, your original keyboard may be faulty. If your keyboard works on another Surface, the issue may be with your Surface Pro connector or Windows system.